Did you know that the secret to glowing skin, a stronger heart, and even better workouts could be sitting right in your fridge? That's right. Watermelon isn't just a summer snack. Packed with nutrients, it's a natural healer for your body. Stay tuned, because today we're uncovering the incredible health benefits of watermelon, from boosting hydration to improving your immune system. Plus, stick around. We'll answer your most burning questions at the end about watermelon, so don't miss it. Watermelon might just look like a refreshing treat, but it's actually a superfood in disguise. This fruit is over 90% water, making it the ultimate hydrator for your body. On a hot day, nothing beats a slice of watermelon to keep you cool and refreshed. But did you know that this juicy fruit is loaded with vitamins and minerals? Vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and magnesium are all hiding in each bite, ready to fuel your body. Hero. Let's talk about your heart. Watermelon is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene helps reduce bad cholesterol levels and protects your arteries from damage. Studies show it can even lower the risk of heart disease. Who knew watermelon could be so kind to your ticker? And that's not all. Potassium in watermelon helps regulate blood pressure, making it a heart health hero. So, next time you reach for a snack, think of your heart and grab some watermelon. Boost your skin and hair game. Glowing skin and healthy hair? Watermelon's got your back. It's packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is like the glue that keeps your skin firm and youthful. Plus, it helps your hair stay strong and shiny. And here's a fun tip. You can even use watermelon as a natural face mask. Just mash some pulp and apply it to your skin for a refreshing, hydrating treatment. Workout recovery wonder. Speaking of workouts, did you know watermelon can speed up your recovery? It contains an amino acid called citrulline, which helps reduce muscle soreness. It's like nature's post-workout drink. Citrulline improves blood flow, helping your muscles recover faster. So blend up some watermelon juice after your next workout. You'll thank us later. Hydration station. When the heat is on, hydration is key. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it one of the most hydrating foods you can eat. It's like a tasty alternative to plain water. Eating watermelon can also help replenish electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, keeping your body balanced and energized. Perfect for kids, athletes, or anyone needing a hydration boost. Immune system booster. Let's not forget your immune system. The vitamin C in watermelon strengthens your defenses against colds and infections. Plus, it has antioxidants that fight off harmful free radicals in your body. With watermelon on your plate, you're giving your immune system a delicious helping hand. Let's dive into your most frequently asked watermelon questions. Is it okay to eat watermelon every day? Yes. Watermelon is healthy and hydrating, but moderation is key. Too much can lead to excess sugar intake. Can watermelon help with digestion? Absolutely. Its high water and fiber content aid digestion and keep your gut healthy. What's the best time to eat watermelon? Anytime. Morning, afternoon, or after workouts are especially great for an energy boost. Can I eat watermelon if I have diabetes? Yes, but keep portion sizes small to avoid blood sugar spikes. Pair it with protein or healthy fats for balance. How should I store watermelon? Whole watermelons are best kept at room temperature. One slice, store in the fridge and enjoy within a few days. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.